Hey guys, it's Kerry. Join me on a snake hunt. I have to look for all of these snakes. I'll give you a better view of them once I've discovered them all. I feel like a paleontologist looking for fossils. Snakes are elongated, legless, carnivorous reptiles of the suborder Serpents. Many species of snakes have skulls with several more joints than their lizard ancestors. This enables them to swallow prey much larger than their heads with their highly mobile jaws. Snakes are found on every continent except Antarctica. I can't seem to find the head. There it is. Snakes are thought to have evolved from either burrowing or aquatic lizards, perhaps during the Jurassic period. The now extinct Titanoboa was 42 feet or 12.8 meters in length. By comparison, the largest extant snakes are the reticulated python, which measure 22.8 feet or 6.95 meters in length. The green anaconda is considered the heaviest snake on Earth. Cobras, vipers, and closely related species use venom to immobilize, injure, or kill their prey. The venom is modified saliva and is delivered through the fangs. Coral snakes are a venomous snake that live in North America. They are members of the cobra family. The rough green snake is a non-venomous North American colorbreed. It is sometimes called a grass snake or green grass snake. The chain king snake is a harmless colorbreed species endemic to the US and Mexico. It's a favorite amongst collectors. Coral snake? They have a pair of small hollow fangs to deliver their venom. The corn snake is a North American species of rat snake that subdues its small prey by constriction. They are popular as pet snakes. Albino cobra. They have trouble blending in with their surroundings and are more prone to skin cancer. Boa. They ambush their prey, which means they will hide and wait for something tasty to go by. Coral snakes have the second strongest venom of any snake. Red-bellied black snake. They are venomous and live in southeast Australia. Albino ball python. It is a python species found in sub-Saharan Africa. Green tree snake is a slender, large-eyed, non-venomous diurnal snake. In regions where winters are colder than snakes can tolerate, while remaining active, local species will brumate. Unlike hibernation, in which mammals usually actually sleep, brumating reptiles are awake but inactive. Individual snakes may brumate in burrows, under rock piles, or inside fallen trees, or snakes may aggregate in large numbers at hibernacula. Hibernacula refers to a place to shelter. Almost all snakes are covered in scales, and as reptiles, they're cold-blooded and must regulate their body temperature externally. The scales trap moisture in arid climates and reduce friction as the snake moves. There are several species of snakes that are mostly scaleless, but even those have scales on their bellies. The scarlet snake is a small, non-venomous snake and spends the day hiding under leaf litter or fallen logs and ventures out into the evenings to forage for food. Blue coral snake. The blue coral snake is known for having a distinct red head, tail and belly. Albino Burmese python. As young snakes, they can climb trees, but once they grow, they transition to ground dwelling. Black-headed python. These are native to Australia. These snakes are terrestrial and are often found in amongst rocks and loose debris. The boa constrictors are one of the largest snakes in the world. They are non-poisonous but just as deadly. Green anaconda hunts on land and in the water, but prefers water where it can move with ease. Burmese python is one of the 5 largest snakes in the world and can reach weights of up to 200 pounds or 90 kilograms. Most species are non-venomous, and those that have venom use it primarily to kill and subdue prey rather than for self-defense. Non-venomous snakes either swallow prey alive or killed by constriction. Please stay and watch another video with me. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.